This is Inventor Lesson 1 of Chapter 1. You're going to begin by opening a file called Create Parameters part, which is going to be an IPT. That's because it's a part file. It's going to open up a file like this. You're going to start by doing an extrusion, but notice how this sketch is already drawn. You're going to go to Extrude, click the part, change the distance to 25, click Enter. Now this may happen to you, actually it will happen to you repeatedly when you're doing an actual drawing, is when you make a part and then you're like, well, I want to change the size of the extrusion or whatever. You're going to have to come over to here, click the plus, or click here, double tap, and it'll open up this thing, which is exactly how it was when you made it originally. You're going to type in 40 to go for the tutorial, and then you're going to notice it automatically changed it. It shows you a preview. Click enter, it changes it. Now, let's say if I wanted to make these sides a little bit more rounded. You're going to go over here, and change this to 5. Clicked. Now you're going to click your edges, and you're going to go around. Actually, I think they only want you to do one. So basically, this is like AutoCAD. If you wanted to not select something, you accidentally selected something, you can just press Shift. But I think they only want you to do this one. Yeah, they only want you to have the middle one in. And then you're going to click Apply. It's going to apply it. Click X, and there you go. That's it. So that's all there is to this lesson. Now you're going to be, this is going to be the first one where you're actually going to have to do this. You're going to go up here. You're going to go to New, Drawing, click Drawing, and it's going to render a presentation file. You're going to go over here, click, you're going to right click, click Edit Sheet, you're going to click A. This is just making the sheet size a little bit smaller, a little bit more manageable for when you're going to actually put in the stuff. Now you're going to click here, and you're going to create your base. This is basically the center of your drawing. Everything is going to go from here. Now the front of your drawing is here, so now you're going to go down. You're going to create multiple profiles, and now these are going to be your 2D drawings, but you want to say an isometric. You're going to click there, right click, OK. It's going to create all of them automatically. Now you can just kind of drag them in, make sure they're all kind of relatively even. This one, you don't have to be even with their other drawings because it's an isometric. Now, you may come up with a problem later on where you don't necessarily have everything to the same. I mean, like, the object is so large it does not fit on the sheet. You can go scale it right down here, and it will change the scale. So if you wanted to say, I'm going to make it huge, so we're going to do like 0.5. Actually, that's going to make it a lot smaller. See how they make them smaller? So, just for now, 1-to-1 should be good for this one. And from there, you're going to annotate it with your name, text, and you're just going to put in, say, I'm going to put test in. You're going to put your first and last name in reality, and that's it. Now you're going to go up here. It's like a regular AutoCAD file, export PDF, and then you're good. Save it to desktop. This presentation file, don't actually save anything to the file like normal, and you're good. That's it.